Imagine a car so iconic, it shaped generations, and now, it's back. The 2025 Citroën 2CV isn't just a remake, it's a resurrection. A beautiful revival of a symbol, a lifestyle, a rebellion on four wheels. And if you thought the past couldn't be modernized with charm and performance, think again. The moment the garage door lifts and you see that bold, shiny black paint glistening under soft spotlights, it's like meeting an old friend again. But this time, that friend has grown into something even more elegant, more expressive. You'll notice the bold sidewall tires first, muscular, classic, but somehow futuristic. They give the car a confident, planted stance. Almost like it knows it's special. And then there's the roofline. That timeless curve is still there, instantly recognizable. But with sharper accents, smoother bodywork, and LED signature lighting that gives it a purposeful modern face. It's like the 2CV matured without ever aging. Aesthetically, it captures attention, but emotionally, it stirs something deeper. You're not just looking at a car. You're looking at a memory redesigned. This isn't just about black. The 2025 Citroën 2CV comes in an artistic palette of colors. There's that rich Bordeaux red, deep and full of character. Then a creamy glacier white for the minimalists. A matte olive green for the adventurous, and a royal blue mist that shines under sunlight like a calm ocean wave. Each one makes the same car feel entirely new. Like every color holds a different personality, bold, calm, elegant, or rebellious. You choose your vibe. The magic continues inside. Open the door, and you're greeted by a cabin that blends heritage with high-end simplicity. The fabric textures are soft, sustainable, and scream retro. But look closer, you've got digital instrumentation, hidden ambient lighting, wireless charging, and the cleanest dashboard layout you'll ever see in a compact classic. It's not over-designed. It's just right. The steering wheel pays homage to the original, circular and minimalist. But now it's wrapped in eco-leather and sits above a display that shows real-time efficiency, drive modes, and navigation. And yes, the seats are as comfortable as they look, wide, lounge-like, and surprisingly supportive for long drives. This isn't a performance car. It's a lifestyle choice. A statement piece that just happens to move you forward. Performance-wise, the new 2CV doesn't try to be a sports car. It's powered by a small yet efficient electric motor. Perfect for city runs, weekend drives, and even short getaways. It's not about how fast it goes. It's about how it makes you feel when you get there. Smooth acceleration, whisper-quiet operation, and a playful drive that makes you smile every time you turn the key, or press the button. Now let's talk about that garage reveal. Imagine an old-school US warehouse, dusty, nostalgic, quiet. And slowly, that red satin cover is pulled back by a man in denim, revealing those curves, those chrome accents, and that big Citroën badge. That moment, it's cinematic. The music fades, the lighting hits just right, and you realize, this isn't just for collectors. It's for a new generation that missed the golden age of simple, joyful driving. What makes the 2CV stand out today isn't technology, horsepower, or numbers. It's soul. And that's something very few cars can still claim to have. In a world full of angry grills, aggressive cuts, and oversized SUVs, the 2CV shows up like a gentle rebel. Round, cheerful, and unapologetically different. It doesn't try to fit in, and that's why it stands out. Whether you're a longtime Citroën fan or someone who's never heard of the 2CV before, this car speaks a universal language, simplicity, charm, and design that lasts. It invites you to slow down, enjoy the drive, and look good while doing it. With its unique sidewall tires giving it that lifted, chunky stance, and with its dual-tone paint options that mix matte and gloss beautifully, this new 2CV is more than a reboot. It's a reawakening. Classic vibes, modern soul, all wrapped in a body that turns heads without even trying. So if you've been waiting for a car that's not just transportation but conversation, a car that makes people smile, point, and ask questions, this is it. The 2025 Citroën 2CV is living proof that retro can be relevant, and simplicity can still lead the way. Thanks for watching. If you love this emotional comeback and want more rare, bold, and timeless cars from the future and past, make sure to subscribe to Car Route 360. Hit that bell icon, and don't miss the next icon we uncover. Because sometimes, driving forward begins with a look back.